Assalamu alaikum, myself Abdullah Arijo from BCS 2K70. Today my presentation is about computer network. A course outline Introduction to Computer Networks, Guided and Unguided Media, Network Topologies, Types of Computer Networks. Introduction to Computer Network. A computer network is a group of devices connected with each other through a transmission medium such as wires, cables, etc. These devices can be computer, printer, scanner, fax machines, etc. The purpose of having computer network is to send the received data stored in other device over the network. These these devices are often referred as nodes. Introduction to computer network. There are five basic components of computer network: protocol, rules and sender, messenger, transmission, media, and protocol, rules, receiver. Introduction to computer network. Message. It is the data of information which needs to be transferred from one to another device over a computer network. Sender. Sender is the device that has the data and need to send the data to other device connected to network. And receiver. Receiver is a device which is expecting the data from the other device or network. Transmission media. In order to transfer data from one device to another device, we need to transmission media such as wires, cables, ratio, and waves, etc. Protocol. A protocol is a set of rules that are agreed by both sender and receiver. Without a protocol, two devices can be connected to each other, but they cannot communicate in order to establish a reliable communication or data sharing between two different devices. We need set of rules that are called protocol. For example, HTTP and HTTPS are the two protocols used by web browser to get the data to internet. Similarly, SFTP protocol is used by Gmail service connected to the internet. Transmission media. There are two types of transmission media, namely guided and unguided. Guided transmission media are cables like twist pair cables, coaxial cables, and fiber optic cables. Unguided transmission media are wireless, such as infrared, radio waves, and microwaves. Guided media. Guided media is also referred to wired or bounded transmission media signal being transmitted or directed and confined in a narrow pathway by using physical links. Guided media. Twist pair cable. It consists of two se- separately insulated conductor wires and wound about each other. Generally, several such pairs are bonded together in a protected chest. They are the most widely used unshielded twist pair UTP. This type of cable has ability to block interference and doesn't depend on the physical shield for the purpose. It is used for telephonic application. Shielded twist pair STP. These types of cable consist of special jacks to block external interface. It is used in the fast data rate, Ethernet and voice and data channel of telephone lines. A twist pair is two types. Guided media. Casual cable. It has an outer plastic covering containing two parallel conductor each having a separate insulate protection. Our casual cable transmits information in two modes: baseband made dedicated cable bandwidth and broadband mode. Cable bandwidth is slipped into separate lanes. Cable TVs and analog television networks widely use coaxial cables. Optical fiber cable. It uses the concept of reflection of light through a core made up of glass or plastic. The core is surrounded by the less dense glasses or plastics covering called is the gilding. It is used for transmission of large volumes of data. The cable can be unidirection, unidirectional or bidirectional. The the WDM wavelength division multiplexer supported two modes, namely namely unidirectional and bidirectional mode. Unguided media. It is referred to as wireless or unbounded transmission media. No physical medium is required to transmission of electromagnetic signal. There are three major types of unguided media. One, ratio wave. These are easy to generate and can be protected through building. The sending and receiving antennas needs to be realized frequency range 3 kmz, 1 GHz, AM and FM ratio, radio, and coordinates phones use radio waves for transmission. Unguided media, microwave. It is line to slide transmission, i.e., the sending and receiving antennas needs to properly align with each other. The distance covered by the signal is directly proportional to the height of the antenna. Frequency range 1 GHz 300 GHz. These are majorly used for mobile communication, television distribution. And number three, infrared waves are used for free short distance communication. They can't penetrate through obstacles. The prevents interface between system frequency range 1303 GHz 400 TMHz. It is used in TV remote, wireless mouse, keyboard, printer, etc. Network topology. The configuration of topology of a network is key determining arrange including the physical or logical distribution of how links and nodes are set up to relate to each other. There are five main network topology: star topology, bus topology, range topology, mesh topology, hybrid topology. And star topology, the most common network topology, is laid out so every node in network is directly connected to one central hub via coaxial, twist pair, or fiber optic cable, acting as a server. This central node manages data transmission. As information sent from any node on the network has to pass through the central one to reach its destination and function as a repeater which helps prevent data loss. Bus topology. A bus topology orients all the devices on a network along a signal cable running in a single direction from one and the other network to other, which is why it's sometimes called line topology or backbone topology. Data flow on network also flows the route of cable moving in one direction. Ring topology. Ring topology is where nodes are arranged in circle or ring. The data can travel through the ring network in either one direction or both directions, with each device having actually two neighbors. Mesh topology. A mesh topology is an attract and elaborate structure of point connection where the nodes are interconnected. Mesh network can full or partial mesh. Part, partial mesh topologies are mostly unconnected, with a few nodes with only two or three connections, while full mesh topology are surprisingly interconnected. Hybrid topology. Hybrid topology combines two or more different topology structure. The three topology is a good example. Integration, the bus style layouts. Hybrid structure are most commonly found in large companies, where individual departments have pronounced network topology apt to suit their needs to network usage. Types of computer network. A computer network is a group of computers linked to each other that enable the computer to communicate with another computer and share their resource data and application. There are main three types of computer network. LAN. LAN, local area network. Local area network is a group of computers connected to each other in a small area such as a building office. LAN is used for connecting with two or more personal computers through a communication medium such as twist pair, coaxial cable, etc. It is a less costly as it is built the inexpensive hardware such as hubs network and Ethernet cable. The data is transferred at an extremely faster rate in the local areas. A local area network provide higher security. Man, Man Metropolitan Area Network. A metropolitan area network is a network that cover a large geographic areas by interconnection of different land to from a larger network. Government agencies use MAN to connect to the citizen and private inter- industries. In MAN, various lanes are connected to other through telephone exchange line. The most widely used protocols in MAN are RS-232, form really ATMs, ISDNs, OC3, ADSL, and etc. It is higher range the local area network LAN. Seas of metropolitan area network MAN is used in connection between the banks in a city. It can be used in airline reservation. It can be used college within a city. It can be used for communication in the military. WAN, WAN with area network. The wide area network is a network that extends over a large geographical area such as state or countries. A wide network, a WAN network is quite bigger network than line. A wide area network is not limited to single location but it spans over a large geographical area through a telephone line, fiber optic cable, satellite link. The internet is one of the biggest WAN in the world. A wide area network is widely used in the field of business, government, and education. Example of wide area network: mobile broadband. A 4G network is widely used across a region or country. Late Mail. A telecom company is used to provide the internet service to customers. Hundreds of cities by connecting their home with fiber. Private network. A bank provides a private network that connects the 44 offices. This network is made by using the telephone leased line provided by the telecom company. Thank you.